Alright, this is part 25.
25.
Oh, you get the hover bot. Oh my god, the plasma
I'm
core.
saving up for that bad boy.
Yeah.
I guess go ahead.
Can you? You could just use the directional pads, you know.
Oh, wow. Oh. You learn something new every day.
I can't believe you never once tried that. In the 55 parts of the Ratchet and Clank franchise saga that we've done. I like this. You would hurry. Nice. Oh! You did that!
What the hell?
I was right. I knew it. Oh, look at his cute little Ratchet face when he was flying around. He's like, ah!
This way?
Yep.
We can dodge all this.
Mm-hmm. Actually, this was the wrong way, I think. No, it was the right way. You didn't speedrun it enough.
How do you speedrun it?
No, you just hold up and keep going. Don't stop.
Oh.
If you have to move out of the way, move, but don't stop unless you're in a situation like that where you have no choice.
Oh,
You just gotta,
I forgot how you use it, that's why.
just gotta keep going. Sway to the rhythm of the traffic.
What? Are you sure
Is
that's
there
not-
another way?
Yeah.
Let's look around. Let's look around the platform. Because that seems like it's cutting it awfully close.
Yeah, I was just speedrunning that.
No, that's it. Don't just like tap X. Like don't hold it because it goes down. You know what I mean? You just want to get like a smooth traveling speed. Why is this so difficult?
I don't understand. Am I doing something wrong?
Probably. Yeah, why are you holding up with the analog stick? You know that stick doesn't work. See, now you're picking up speed. Don't hold up on the analog stick.
I just hold up on the D-pad.
Yeah, because the analog stick screwed up, remember? Like, look at that. Look how much space you just... Now you're good. Oh, good luck. Nice.
This is the last one. It's a lot easier than the middle.
Yeah.
What the hell?
What the hell was that?
What?
What the hell was that? The camera stayed down. And then you died. Why? After we survived the most difficult part. After a million deaths. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Nice up the Whoa. Okay. Alright.
What was it?
I don't know. Maybe it's because the elevator didn't go completely down yet.
There's like so many different paths.
No, now you can just. That's all that was. That is on the right is a rail section, and then this is like the regular level. I guess you could say.
You know what there is? These keys so difficult, by the way.
Wait, what?
You know what these keys?
You get used to it. Maybe in like 2 parts.
Oh, there's more?
Yeah, you see these guys? Like, ooh. Oh, nice. Something more. Go on top of that car. Oh, there's another one. Don't try to kill him with this.
What was that?
You got lucky. Look how much health you have left. You got massacred.
Why are we using D-pad?
Watch out. Don't die. Yay.
On top of this fountain.
Yeah. That's it right there. That takes you to the Insomniac Museum. We're gonna check it out probably once we're at the end of the game. Do you have the spider bot?
No way.
That's what you need him for right there. You shoot him through, push the lever.
Where did I go?
Oh, go to the right. Can you go around the edge? I feel like there's a bolt. Nope, never mind. Yeah, go the other way. This is just to get to the fountain.
So I faced all those dudes just to get to the fountain?
Well, I thought you knew what you were doing. Slow motion helped out. At this point, that blue man was acting so easy.
What the?
Whoa.
What is going on?
I don't know.
Why is like the camera always like messing up now? I don't even know what's left and right no more. I don't even know how much I gotta sneeze.
Yeah, you just noticed that?
Yeah, I was like, what are you talking about? That's doing dance attack. And then you like,
I'm just saying it.
come on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Like that.
Another one. I had one job. One job.
And you couldn't even do it.
This game moves a lot faster than you did.
Yeah, because you're used to the slowdown of the analog stick. I'll get ready.
Yeah, ready for these chunks?
No. It's gonna be a bolt to get to. I didn't remember. It's too massive straight. Nice.
You know where the boat is?
Yeah, yeah.
I gotta go further.
Yeah, yeah, keep going a little bit.
Okay. So you understand?
That's what I said.
Oh, I gotta pick up the ammo. Okay. Whoa, dude.
plasma coil is gonna wipe you out.
Bolt. Oh, that's bolt. So what's up next?
Don't worry about it. You'll
I
get
want to
there.
know.
When you get there, you'll know. Good, you just continue going. Oh, armor. You're gonna need that. Broken dreams. You have to get it though. 50% protection, you need it for these levels. These enemies start hitting hard.
Oh my lord! I'm so close. Should I just get?
You have to get it.
Oh my
You
god!
need it. Enemies do so much more damage now, you need it. You're losing like an entire bar per hit with some of these enemies, sometimes more. You know, but you just made the game easier now. You know, you increased your lifespan.
Shut up.
It's more important. Wow, that's just overkill. He's already gonna die.
Okay. He's a dummy.
Oh. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
This guy's wrecking you.
Dude, there's so many different. I don't know where to go.
Straight up, that guy wrecked your life. Oh my god, the damage he did. Wow. Always. Always with that. So lucky all the time. Unbelievable.
Call me young Skywalker. Do it now.
No.
Well, am I ever gonna get the plasma core and the bouncer and whatnot in this one playthrough? No. It won't
Yeah.
happen.
You might have to forget one of them. Look to the left, look to the left, look to the left, look to the left. Jump. Let's play Rush Paper Scissors, that's cute. Alright, and the next part, we're gonna finish up this world.
Maybe.
We'll definitely.